Good morning everybody. Today we're going to be making a diamond point card. I've got two examples to show you. The first one here, I've used the same papers and then just used a different card underneath and a different card for the die on the top. Okay, that's the first one. And the second one, I've used different double-sided papers. So the flowers and the little die, butterfly, and a small insert. Okay, let's get started then. You should already have a piece of card which is 28 by 14. Mine's already been cut. And what we're going to do is we're going to score that in the middle, which will be 14. And give it a good burnish. Okay. Now we're going to find the centre of this piece, just the front part, right there. So that's going to be there. Make a mark in the centre. And then you can either use your cutter or scissors or your craft knife, whichever you prefer. And we're going to go from the corner, which is where the fold is, from the corner down to the mark that you've made. So from the corner to the mark, line it up, and keep these pieces from the corner, the other corner to the mark, and keep that piece, and you end up with a piece like that. Now we're going to cover the front part and the rear, and then we'll get to the diamond part in a moment. So the front part is slightly smaller, so this is sorry, I'm going to use the silver first. I'm weighing myself. 13.5 by 13.5. And if you use the same technique, it works every time, she says, hopefully. So find the centre again. So it's 13.5. I'm going to move it over slightly like that. Find the centre and do exactly the same as you did before. So from that corner to the mark, and the same on the other side, from the corner to the mark, like so. You can get rid of the silver, you can use that in a minute. So they're going to go there. And then the front paper for the card is 13 by 13, exactly the same method. If you're using double-sided paper, it's different because the pieces you cut off you're going to use, but I'm not. I'm using different papers, so I've already pre-cut those. So this is 13 by 13. Find the centre, do exactly the same again. Keep all your bits because you can use them for another card. Corner to the mark, like so. Okay, so what we should have now is your card, the silver, which as you can see fits perfectly with a little border, and then the paper exactly the same, little border all the way around, fits perfectly. So we'll put that on first. Use my snail. Line that up. A nice border all the way around. That's it. And then this paper that off. Lovely. So there you go, that's the beginning of the card. And what I've done, I've used the other side of that paper for the insert, which is so pretty. Put that in. Okay. Set. That. Now then, let's get on to these pieces. We've got the two silver pieces that we've already cut from this part. We've got the two white pieces that we've already cut from the card, and as I said, I pre-cut some spotty, but you could use what we cut off from the front of the card. Okay, so all we're going to do is construct these. So silver on first. Silver on. Oops. Okay. And then the paper. A bad sticky day today. I'll just have to leave that as it is for now. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to put these on there like so, and on there like so. And you see, so they cross over here at the top. You can have them wider if you wanted to, it's up to you. I've chosen to have them lined up with there and there, so I'm going to attach those, and as I say always to you, I would use tape. I just need to work out, it's just that part there that I don't want to stick. So that's going to go like so, and then this part, oops, it's going to go there, line that up. You could put marks where you want it to be, it's up to you. So you end up with that. Now just to tidy it up, make it look a bit pretty, I found a little greeting that I've had in a pack, because this is for a friend. So put some pads on the back there. Put that there. And I've got a little flower, just I'd put 3 together, glued them together and put a gem in there. Another foam pad, or a dimensional, if you want to call it a dimensional, it's up to you. I'll put that there, and then I've got a little butterfly. A gem on him, and a glue dot. you can go there. That's it. Now as far as your writing's concerned, you can either put it in this part or you could put a piece on the back there to write on, but I think inside would work quite well. So there you go, there's the finished card, the diamond point card. Right, that's it then. I hope you've enjoyed this little card. There's so much you can do with it. I just think it's so pretty. Next week we're going to be doing an easel card. Different variations on an easel card. Right, well I'm off for fish and chips with my girlfriend now, so I'll see you next week. Bye.